Wednesday, December 21st. This is the shortest day of the year. Sun rose later and set sooner than any other day of the year. So now it will set later, earlier and earlier. No, later and later and later. So the days will become longer and longer. So it's always nice when that happens. It's the first day of winter. And it's really chilly here, so that's unusual for us. Happy day. Got some things in today that we needed. We are back in stock with the CocoKnits Maker's Board, which is all magnetic. This is magnetized. These magnets come with it. And you can stick your pattern on here and follow along with everything that you need. And along with that, we also got the CocoKnits ruler, which is also magnetized, and it sticks on your pattern and you can use it as a line marker or whatever is necessary. Perfect. The Maker's Board is $40.99, and the ruler $17. All right. Now we also got in more pom-poms. And this is a new color. We had orange before, but it was like neon orange. Look at this. What? Unbelievable color. You know I love that. All right, so we have orange. We have butterscotch. Gorgeous. We got in black. We got in white. We got in baby blue. We got in this, I think this is called sand. Beautiful. And last but not least, this denim, which is a beautiful color. So new pom-poms. We've got yarn. We got pom-poms. You can make hats. You still got time to make a hat, or you can give them the yarn and the pom-pom in a bag and get it back and say, boom, I'll have a hat for you in a week. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. We got everything wrapped for friend to friend yesterday, and I think we're going to be delivering tomorrow. We feel pretty excited and satisfied with everything that we had. And once again, I told you last night, but I'll tell you again, couldn't do it without everybody. And thank you so, so very much. Time is ticking, right? Tomorrow's Thursday, the 22nd. I think I've done everything. Well, I've got a few errands to run locally, so I won't have to worry about the mail. So, all right. That's it for now. I'll chat with you tomorrow. Have a good night.